ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, the timeline for submission of life certificate is extended. For all central government pensioners, 1st November 2020 till 31st December 2020. For 80 years and above pensioner, 1st October 2020 to 31st December 2020. During the extended period beyond November, the pension will continue uninterrupted. Life certificate can be submitted manually or digitally. Pensioner can submit life certificate online through Jeevan Pramaan portal or go to the nearest bank branch. Life certificate can be recorded by physically appearing before the pension disbursing bank. Personal appearance not required if the pensioner submits the life certificate form signed by designated officer. Designated officers to sign the life certificate form are person exercising the power of a magistrate, registrar or sub-registrar, gazetted officer, police officer, class 1 officer of the RBI, pensioned officer who before retirement exercised the power of a magistrate, justice of peace, block development officer, head of village panchayat, member of parliament of state legislature, treasury officer. Jeevan Pramaan is a portal to facilitate submission of life certificate online. Digital life certificate can be submitted from home or from nearest common service center or any branch of the PDA. A pensioner can submit life certificate from home by attaching a UIDAI approved biometric device to his personal computer or Android mobile. However, the pension bank account needs to be Aadhaar seeded. Biometric devices are easily available from online stores in the price range of 1500 to 3500 approximately. However, before buying a biometric device, you may refer to the list of authenticated biometric devices of various brands with model number as available on UIDAI website. UIDAI has provided details of all biometric devices along with brands and model numbers, which are permissible for capturing biometrics of a person. You may visit the site www.uidai.gov.in to get information of all such devices. To generate life certificate from home, download Jeevan Pramaan application, download the RD service of the biometric device which is attached to PC. Register yourself on Jeevan Pramaan portal for using the biometric device. Submit the requisite information on Jeevan Pramaan portal and follow the instruction to provide your biometric authentication. The steps to submit life certificate digitally from mobile are: you will need an OTG cable to attach the biometric device with your Android mobile. Download Jeevan Pramaan application from Umang app. Download the RD service of the biometric device which is attached to your mobile. Submit requisite information on Jeevan Pramaan portal and follow the instruction to provide your biometric authentication. Sometimes a biometric device is unable to detect the fingerprint due to dry skin. Therefore, you can rub cream on your finger before the biometric scan. Information required for submitting digital life certificate through Jeevan Pramaan are Aadhaar number, name, mobile number, PPO number, pension account number, bank details, name of pension sanctioning authority, pension disbursing authority through Jeevan Pramaan. Please note that any incorrect information may lead to rejection of the DLC by the pension disbursing authority. Pensioners are not required to submit a printout to the bank. The Jeevan Pramaan portal sends this information electronically to the pension paying bank, and thereafter the bank automatically processes this information with respect to each DLC having a unique ID. In the process of submitting life certificate from Jeevan Pramaan portal, you will receive 2 SMSs. SMS 1. Jeevan Pramaan portal will send this SMS instantly confirming that your Jeevan Pramaan ID has been generated and is being sent electronically to your bank. SMS 2. Your bank will send this SMS normally within 3 days after processing the information received from Jeevan Pramaan portal. Please check the accuracy of information furnished by you with respect to your bank account number and PPO number while generating DLC. If any information is incorrect, you can generate a new certificate after furnishing the correct information. In case you are unable to do so, contact your bank branch. Pensioner residing abroad may submit life certificate in following manner. If the pensioner is drawing pension through any bank included in the second schedule, the life certificate may be signed by an officer of the bank, an authorized official of the Embassy of India. In case the pensioner is unable to visit the embassy, the requisite documents may be submitted by post to the embassy, including doctor's certificate showing the pensioner's inability. Embassy of India may also assist pensioners in submission of the life certificate. A pensioner not resident in India, in respect of whom a duly authorized agent produces a life certificate, is exempted from special appearance.